Now see, the X label, Y label, and title functions interpret a cell array as an input as a multi-line notation. So you know in the graph, three important things will be there. One is X label, one is Y label, and title. So always what we should do, we should create a variable with X label, Y label, and title. So label the Y-axis with text in txt. Okay, so label the Y-axis with text in txt. Okay, what we should do here? See, in X-axis already we have this R. Okay, but in Y-axis we are not having this thing, right? So I'm giving Y label of txt. I'm loading this Y label txt into this Y label. We'll see if this is correct. Yes. So what is the Y label? Can you see area pi r square? I'll maybe if you want, I can zoom it so that you can understand how the pi is getting transformed. Not zooming. I think you cannot zoom the axis. Okay, anyways, I think you can see. I think now it is clear. I think you can see pi r square. So if you want to use the Greek letters in your plot function, you have to follow that by a slash forward slash. And r square you see r power 2. So the upper arrow mark indicates it is going to be used as power. Assume if I want to use a suffix means I'll be using underscore. We'll try to plot this, see the difference, how the r square is changing. Able to see the difference? R suffix 2. And previously I used R upper arrow mark 2. So it is R square. Now we are getting it back. Okay, you are getting it back. Okay, by R square. So this task is also